Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are tackling a very common question. Does superglue actually work on carbon fiber? The short answer is yes, it can, but the long answer is much more important because using it in the wrong situation can be ineffective or even dangerous. Let's break it all down. First, you need to understand what you're gluing. Carbon fiber isn't just the fibers, it's a composite material made of carbon fibers suspended in a resin, which is usually epoxy. When you apply glue, you are bonding to this surface resin, not the fibers themselves. Superglue, or cyanoacrylate, is a type of acrylic resin that cures very quickly with moisture. It creates a hard, brittle bond. This is the key takeaway: the bond is brittle. So, when is it okay to use superglue? It's best reserved for very small, non-structural, and cosmetic applications. For instance, if you want to reattach a tiny chip on the surface or bond a small plastic cable guide onto a carbon fiber frame, superglue can work just fine. It's also useful as a temporary tack weld, holding a piece in place while a stronger adhesive like epoxy cures. However, there are critical situations where you must absolutely avoid superglue. Never use it for structural repairs. If you have a crack in a bike frame, a drone arm, or any part that is under stress, superglue is the wrong choice. Its brittle nature means it will crack and fail under vibration, flex, or impact. This failure could be catastrophic. It's also terrible at filling gaps. It requires a perfectly flush, tight-fitting joint to have any real strength. For any serious repair, the correct adhesive is a two-part epoxy. Epoxy forms a much stronger, more durable, and slightly more flexible bond that is chemically similar to the resin already in the carbon fiber part. It's designed for structural strength and is excellent at filling small gaps. If you must use superglue for a minor fix, preparation is everything. The surface must be perfectly clean and dry. Lightly scuff the area with fine grit sandpaper, maybe around 320 grit, to give the glue something to grip. Then, wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol to remove all dust and oils. Apply only a tiny, thin layer of glue and press the parts together firmly. In summary, superglue has a very limited use case for carbon fiber. It's for tiny, cosmetic fixes only. For anything that matters, especially regarding safety and strength, always reach for a quality two-part epoxy. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button for more content just like this. See you next time.